This is why the market's starting to signal lower highs on the 10-year yield. The market's getting ready to rotate. It could take 6 months, could take 6 more days. It's up to us to have the humility to say we don't know how long that's going to take. We can tell you when the economy is in the fourth quadrant. It's currently not in the fourth quadrant, so that's an easy statement to make. We're still in the second quadrant, but we do have a projection that our forecaster and nowcast that updates daily that says that we're going to be in the fourth quadrant, solidly in the fourth quadrant in the fourth quarter, and there'll be parts of the third quarter too where it may look like that. So again, that's what we're doing. We're not trying to be slow here. We're trying to incorporate the whole process and make the right decision. So we like that you're asking the right questions, because you might do it better than we do. I mean, at least you know environmentally what the market's trying to discount, which is where where environmentally we are from a growth and inflation perspective, quad 1, 2, 3, or 4, to where we're going.
Yeah, and I think that's a great point. Sort of, we're not trying to be slow, we're trying to be deliberate. The market, I think a lot of the questions we've been getting in the last month or so from investors have been, okay, you're saying, this is starting to signal lower highs, i.e. the 10-year, but you got the Russell breaking now, you get the NASDAQ still making new highs. It doesn't all seem to make sense. Well, it's never going to all make sense all at one time. I mean, the market is going to start attacking specific factor exposures that have specific return characteristics in specific quadrants, i.e. economic regimes, and it's not all going to happen at the same time. We like it to happen at the same time. We like it to sort of smack us in the face and wake us up and grab us by the collar and do this, but sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it all, this is why you have to sequence every single data point, every single financial market, and sort of arrive at the conclusion that, okay, in our mosaic theory, in the Sampow theory, a lot of these factors have changed. Maybe not every single factor has changed, i.e. the Russell and NASDAQ, but some of these things are really starting to change in the margin, and obviously we'd expect the rest of the markets to sort of follow suit over time.